This thing is pretty cool.
Hold on, Bella. Do not touch.
Oh, he fell asleep.
Hold on. Let me see, Bella. Move out of the way.
Oh, Daddy's got him lighting up.
Watch out. Bella, move out of the way, Bella. You guys aren't supposed to touch it.
Brady is going to have a heart attack. You like him, Benny?
Yeah.
How happy are you?
Good.
What are you going to say to Grandma and Pop-Pop?
Thank you. Thank you. Wait, can I have it?
Is Spike not listening, Benny? Oh, he's going to eat your hand, Belle.
Bella, let's see.
Okay, don't touch him.
Ben, come here.
Okay?
Open mouth! Open your mouth!
Now, let me see those balls.
How about you close your mouth, dinosaur? Close your mouth, little dinosaur.
Open mouth!
Bobby, leave it alone.
Holy mouth on you, girlfriend.
Oh my bone!
Bobby, don't force it. Bobby.
Bobby, leave it alone.